you for joining me on the first episode of Wig Wednesday. If you want to see how I slayed the hair like this and this, stay tuned. This is the unit that we'll be applying today. It's 24 inches. It's a frontal lace unit, 150% density. So we're going to go ahead and apply this today. It does come with transparent Swiss lace. So let's get into it. All right, so this is the perfect glueless unit. So you really do not need adhesive to wear this unit. Lace looks good. Just gonna go in and plug the hairline a little bit more. And I'll be back. For a brief moment of positivity, if you fall behind, run faster. Never give up. Never surrender, and rise up against the odds. Let's get back into the hair. All right, so we're going to apply this unit glueless. What does that mean? That means that we're not going to use any glue, any adhesive to tack it down. We will, though, use got to be gel and got to be hairspray. Blasting free spray. Okay? So I do mine section by section because that's what I do. Any more questions? All right, so I'm just going to pull this on back. I've already cut the lace to mimic my hairline. Let's just pull it back forward so you can see. All right, so pretty much all you do is you just put the got to be gel along your hairline. All right. And you're going to let it sit there and let it get tacky. But in addition to that, just spray a little bit of your blasting free spray over top of your layer. And then you're going to let that air dry for a second until it gets tacky. And then you're going to do another layer. All right, so I'm putting my second layer on. And once this dries, I'm going to pull the lace forward and put it over top of, at least in front of or right at the line of where I have the gel, so that I don't have extra lace behind the gel. That's not going to be cute for my pictures on Instagram. You heard? All right, come on, y'all. Let's take this lace and pull it forward, and we're going to put it at the line of the freeze spray. I'm going to look here because I got to do it right. All right. So just place it down. You can take your rat tail comb, smoosh it down. So I'm gonna start talking. Y'all can watch me go ahead and put the rest of the lace on. Lace is a little light. That is left on my head. And like I said, screenshot this is already. It's really the absolute bomb product. Definitely would encourage you to run out and go get this. You can order it on Amazon. It comes in different shades and different colors, and you don't have to dip it in that water, spray it and dry and all that. Bye. All right, it comes in multiple different colors. We're just gonna spray this. Okay, so look, what you're about to see did not go as planned, but went as planned, if that makes sense. So it's a little, I made a mess, but look through the mess and see the outcome. Judge yourself. Watch this. Especially from the pieces that forgot to be closed. I'm just gonna make sure to melt this in here so that it's all melted and all down, that we don't have any lippage. Yeah. So we're just gonna make sure we have no lippage on each side. So I'm just gonna make sure I press the right. Make sure you guys have a comb. Make sure you hold the comb in front so it doesn't get on your skin like you've seen on the other side. And then you pull this down. Look at that. So now that I have it down pretty well, I'm just gonna go in with my headscarf for about 10 minutes. Okay, so this is what we're working with once I pull the headscarf off. So this is the hairline. Honestly, it's so dirty. So this is the hairline. It was at this moment that Kirsten realized that she had did that thing, huh? Yeah, she did. And go ahead and put it behind the ear. Go ahead. Listen, I'm going somewhere. Ha! You gonna see me?